Hi everyone, I'm Yun and welcome to my table. Today a simple recipe that I've been working on for a while. It's called Fa Gao, little steam cakes made out of rice. If you want to learn how to make these green coconut pandan Fa Gaos, then please watch until the end. The ingredients are few and simple. Except of the pandan extract, you probably have everything already. As for the coconut milk, I like this brand because it's got a rich, thicker texture which works really well in this recipe. And as you might have guessed, the main ingredient here is the rice. I soaked jasmine rice overnight in water, and now it's soft and comes apart easily when squeezed. If you want to go an easier route, you can absolutely use rice flour instead of fresh rice. Back to our soaked rice. You want to wash and rinse the rice a few times to get rid of excess starch. When the water runs clear, drain the rice and put it into a powerful blender. Then add the coconut milk and blend. Blend for a couple of minutes until you have a smooth, runny paste. Now add in the cooked rice, instant dry yeast, and sugar to taste. Blend again for a couple of minutes and you will have a paste with a thick glue-like consistency. Pour that into a bowl and cover with a lid or plastic wrap. Then leave it to rise in a warm place until the mixture has risen to 2 times its size. Once it's risen, remove the surface and you will find a crisscross of fermented dough beneath. Now stir the mixture to deflate and cover with the lid again. Because we're going to ferment this dough twice. Doing this will yield a more complex flavor with the tang of sourness that a traditional Fa Gao is known to have. When the second fermentation is done, deflate the mixture again, and this time we're ready to cook them. I'm using these silicone molds to cook my rice cakes. Fill each mold right up to the top, and a coconut Fa Gao is ready to be steamed. But if you want to add more fragrance to the cakes, add some pandan extract to the coconut mixture. Not only will this turn the cakes a beautiful shade of green, you will also get a wonderful scent of the pandan that goes perfectly with coconut. Fill up all the molds and line them up in your steamer. And then steam them on high for 20 minutes. When they're done, open the lid and you will find cakes with split open tops and soft and squidgy interiors. Remove them from their molds and these beautiful little rice cakes are ready to be devoured. They're soft as expected, but also chewy, as if they are gluten present. But of course, this is gluten-free, so it is a great alternative for those who are sensitive to gluten or wheat. The rich coconut milk is present in every bite, and the green pandan flavor cakes are even more fragrant and lovely. Eat it warm or keep it in airtight containers and eat them at room temperature. They are a great little snack. As always, go to yunsfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.